1 day left before BabyDoge Swap launch their BabyDoge Swap. Team is excited. This should be really good because BabyDoge Swap has been talking about this for a while. Let's get into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, BabyDoge's Twitter account has announced merely 1 day stands between now and the month anticipated release of the BabyDoge Swap. We are so excited for tomorrow. BabyDoge Swap pic.twitter.com. And then when I go look at here, I see this 1 day to launch. Now, the date of the protocol launch on the mainnet was announced September 21st. BabyDoge Swap is the decentralized exchange that will enable holders to perform token swaps, yielding, and staking. Now, one of the tokens more favored by the meme community, BabyDoge Swap or BabyDoge, was launched on June 1st of 2021. And as it stands right now, they're sitting at 1.6 million followers. So this is a large community. As reported by you today, yesterday the meme token managed to surge by roughly 10% overall, breaking the long-term resistance range and demonstrating some signs of a possible future price acceleration. However, in the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap, seeing the actual price drop about around 8% according to the data shared on CoinMarketCap. But, however, 1 day is left until the BabyDoge Swap. Let's see what happens with the price in the future of BabyDoge Swap. I'm excited. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.